shit while I'm eating.
A falcon tried to tell me this hawk ain't shit. Now the hawk on the squawking shit. Big booty raven said talk your shit. Bald head whole eagle said bitch you need your feathers clipped. And it's a bird bath, yo ass take a sip. The crow laughed, flew off, took the shit. Seagull said you evil, Owl said who? Hummingbird hum shit, she ain't talking to you. Sparrow said fuck you, don't talk to my crew. Turkey said I body all y'all bitches. Ostrich said I get your ass stitches. Blue Jay crippin', Robin slobbin'. Buzzer watch from afar cause they be wildin'. Flamingo don't care, she just stylin'. Dodo say shit, we don't care, we stuck on the island. Swan said calm down, let me do a struck. Peacock said bitch, that's my shit, what the fuck? Swan song, pelican mouth full of fish. Said y'all wrong, duck said all y'all. Music stop, parties over, Woodpecker got the sword off. Eagle said y'all get hard off. Duck suckers beak, pigeon said duck sauce. Parrot said duck sauce. The unassuming dove, the one that bust off. Chickens look back and forth, then they fucking clucked off. If I was y'all, I'd say I can't touch y'all.